Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss: how to view recent crises through Facebook. By staying informed about the events happening around us, we can better understand and support our communities. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in Facebook, and look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it and select Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to access the menu. Step 3. Within the menu, scroll down until you find the Crises Response option. Tap on it. Step 4. Once you've tapped on Crises Response, you'll be directed to a page displaying recent crises activities that have occurred nearby. Here, you can view information about various crises, such as natural disasters, emergencies, and other significant events in your area. This feature helps you stay informed and connected to the community during challenging times. Step 5. To explore a specific crisis in more detail, tap on the crisis activity that interests you. Step 6. On the Crisis Details page, you'll find relevant information, including updates, safety tips, emergency contact numbers, and resources to help you navigate through the crisis effectively. Step 7. Additionally, you can contribute by offering help, marking yourself safe, or sharing the information with your friends and family to raise awareness. By using the Facebook Crises Response feature, you can stay informed, support your community, and offer assistance when it matters most. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view recent crises through Facebook. By utilizing this feature, you can stay up to date on important events and contribute to the well-being of your community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Thank you for watching. And remember, together we can make a difference.